There you go. Head down. Put your head down. Cross face. Alright, that's alright. Get to your belly. Get to your belly. Get to your belly. Wing it down. Wing it down. Get your head out. Get to your belly. Get to your belly. Underlay. 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 Wing it down. Underlay. Underlay.
Take it off.
There you go. You got your one. One green. Alright, now you set it up. Your shot. Ooh.
There it is.
There you go. Keep the arm. Keep the arm. Keep the arm. Sit to your butt.
Hey, no.
Around the hips.
Go up there. You shoot. Let's go.
Right, side up. Go. Set it up.
There it is. Finish it. Finish it. Push it to him. Get your back points. Get your back points.
Knees.
Get behind. Get back behind.
Get up. Go.
Grab that ankle next time.
Same shot.
Go again.
Go on the knees. Go.
Actually, back right there. Half.
Fight through. Fight through.
Side.
Fight through. Fight through. Now, elbows in, short time, see if you can get one.
Hold him there.
Short time. Short time. All right, hey, it's only 3 points, that's all right, we're all right. That's the first move, up. All right.
You shoot. Set it up.
Whatever.
Get up.
Gotta be able to cross face that. Get your right arm out, the cross face. Get your right arm out. You gotta get your right arm out of that.
Step over it.
Hey, lock your legs out.
Come through.
Hey, squeeze.
Come through.
Squeeze.
Come through. Keep coming. Come through. Come through. Now come through. Now. Out there. Come on. All he has is a neck. He does. All right. He's just posting. Just roll your belly through. Roll here through. He's posting with his fist. Roll through. Keep fighting. Just like that. Just like that. Now. Keep coming. 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 Get ready to punch through. Keep coming. Keep coming. Get ready. Watch the arm run. Just sit right there. He can't do anything. You can't do anything. Now get the arm. Now. Watch this. Look away. Wing it down. Wing it down. Head up. Head up. Look away. Look away. Look away. Look away and wing down.
Go again. Clear your legs. Go.
Hey, break it down.
Wing down. There you go. Cross face. Stand up.
Step down and up.
Set it up. Your shot. There you go. Much better. Look for your moves. You reaching. You're on top of the wizard. Right there. Cross it. Throw it. Hip. That's right. Hey. Good defense. Let's go. Right there. Finish it. Work an arm. Half it.
Anthony,
Power half.
you gotta pin him.
Just power it. There you go. Bring it up. Suck him back. There you go. Suck him back.
Take that leg out.
Short time.
Take the leg out.
All right.
Stand up now.
There you go. Right there. Knee in the side. Right there. Knee in the side.
Walk